Here's a powerful fact. A single wrong decision in well control can lead to pressures equivalent to the weight of 400 elephants being released in seconds. This highlights why well control expertise is absolutely critical in drilling operations. Organizations across the oil and gas industry face serious challenges when their teams lack proper well control certification. Companies risk catastrophic blowouts, equipment damage, and environmental disasters that can cost millions in damages and irreparable reputation harm. Many struggle with regulatory compliance and insurance requirements due to inadequate well control expertise. For drilling crews and supervisors, the responsibility of maintaining well control creates immense pressure. The fear of making a critical mistake during a well-controlled situation affects confidence and performance. Teams often struggle with quick decision-making during pressure control emergencies. This intensive certification program transforms participants into confident, well-controlled experts. You'll master the principles of pressure control, kick detection, shut-in procedures, and kill methods. The program covers both fundamental theory and practical applications using state-of-the-art simulators. Through realistic scenario training, you'll learn to handle various well-controlled situations, from early kick detection to complex kill operations. Experienced instructors share valuable insights from real-world well-control events, preparing you for actual emergencies. Organizations see immediate benefits after their teams complete this certification. They report improved early detection of well-controlled problems, faster response times during critical situations, and enhanced overall safety performance. Many experience significant reductions in non-productive time related to well-control issues. For individuals and teams, this certification provides essential credentials and confidence. Participants develop the skills to handle any well-controlled situation calmly and effectively. They become respected safety leaders on their rigs and valuable assets to their organizations. Don't wait for a well-controlled incident to highlight the importance of proper certification. Take this opportunity to become a certified well-control expert. Enroll now to ensure you're prepared to handle one of the most critical aspects of drilling operations.